Financial shakeup in U.S. consulting. Real Rate's 2025 rankings revealed how a tiny advisory firm vaulted to the top as established players jostle in a $400 billion industry. The top three consulting companies of 2025 in their ECRs are Hestia Insight Inc., ECR 302%, up from rank 27 last year, a meteoric 26 position jump. Mastech Digital Inc. ECR 216%, improving from rank 4 to rank 2. Pharma Bioserve Inc. ECR 215%, a consistent high performer, ranked 2 last year, now 3. Over 3 times its assets, Hestia Insight's ECR of 302% is exceptionally high, 215 to 216%, virtually neck and neck. For second place, Mastech Digital and Pharma Bioserve follow with very strong ECRs. This outcome marks a dramatic shakeup. Hestia Insight Inc., an AI-driven capital markets advisory focusing on healthcare and biotech, was barely on the radar last year, ranked 27th. Now it's top-rated, an almost unprecedented leap. The company's extraordinary rise owes much to an explosive profit performance relative to its modest asset base, $1.25 million, but it turned this into a hefty $0.64 million net profit. In 2024, Hestia's revenues were only about such a high profit-to-assets ratio sent its ECR soaring. By contrast, Mastech Digital Inc. and Pharma Bioserve Inc. have been mainstays near the top. Both companies have consistently high ECRs, reflecting strong fundamentals even as they jostle for position. Financial strength rankings can fluctuate as company fortunes change. Real Rate's historical data reveals how the top players have evolved over time. Pharma Bioserve dominated the early 2000s, ranking number 1 for several years on the back of ECRs around 250%. Mastech Digital steadily ascended through the 2010s, briefly reaching number 1 in 2022 with an ECR of 223%. Then came 2024's upheaval, Hestia's leap from the bottom tier to the top. Beyond the top 3, other notable moves occurred in 2025's ranking. Lightbridge Corp., last year's number 3, plummeted to number 11 after its ECR fell from 204% to 133%. This loss of strength was attributed to a sharp drop in its net income. In total, 24 consulting firms were rated, down from 30 a few years ago, indicating some consolidation in the industry as underperforming firms fell off and only one new entrant joined. This underscores Real Rate's mission, to compare big and small companies on equal footing by looking at economic value relative to assets. It's not about sheer revenue, it's about how effectively a company uses its resources to create value.